watertight seal that lasts for years. With FlexShot, you can caulk, bond, and seal out the elements. Simply push the trigger to make quick repairs. And for big storm damage, there's Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape. Heavy wind and rain can destroy your home, but Flex Glue holds on tight, even in the toughest conditions. Just like batteries and flashlights, make the Flex Seal family part of your storm preparation kit.
You can't stop storms from coming.
Cops knew that they were racing against the clock.
Given the weather conditions, the police knew that this was related.
Currently in our area, 52 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Today, mainly cloudy, a few peaks of sunshine possible. High 63, winds east at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, rain, low 51, winds east-southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Rainfall near a ½ inch. Monday, cloudy with periods of rain, high 65. Rainfall possibly over 1 inch, locally heavy rainfall possible. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Florence is forecast to be a dangerous major hurricane near the southeast coast by late next week.
Here's the latest we have for you with regard to Tropical Storm Florence. For now, winds are 70.